they do. Like better than my sports car. Uh-oh.
Get away.
There
we have Zoe. Hey,
Zoe decided to go for a little swim.
Oh man, you have your life jacket on.
Yeah, the life jacket worked really good.
You're all wet. Hi, Zoe.
She went for a little swim. It was really good. I just picked her up, put her back on, and we all got wet. Yeah. Yeah. So we got a little wet.
Oh, good.
But you had to kind of experience it.
Yeah.
To be honest,
did she float with it?
Yeah, but I had this, so I like reeled her in.
Yeah.
And then I went floop.
Picked her back up.
Mm-hmm. So I'm glad we had it.
Man, this is nice. It's perfect. Not too hot, not too cold, you know, perfect weather for it.
Let me see. Yeah, it's been stuck coming in here. Soon. It feels like we're being sucked out that way. I know, it still feels like it.
We're going!
Zoe.
Daddy.
Hi,
There's Daddy. Oh, Daddy.
Did you have your shark life vest on?
Yeah. That way Mommy can see me when I jump in the water.
pretty good. It's not so soft right here. So you can come in here if you want. I think this is a good spot here. Get in. You need a hand?
Oh, it feels a little mushy.
You good?
Here, just take that.
Yeah.
Oh, mushy, mushy,
You good?
mushy. Thank you. Oh,
Yeah.
Sinky Winky.
Nicole, try to come up here, Nicole.
I didn't think about a wet tushy in the vehicle.
You did get a little wet.
Oh, my butt's soaked.
Yeah.
Captain Zoe's a-coming. I just don't want her to go in the mud, not that she's all dry.
No. I can carry her up. Here comes Captain Zoe. Look at that. Hi, Zoe. Hi. Look at that little doggy package here.
Oh no, she's a Natalie, not Zoe.
So that's our whole lineup of kayaks. Pretty nice. It was a good trip. How do you think, Zoe?
Hey. She's tired.
That's where the market is tomorrow.
Over here?
Yeah. And right here is that, what?
Seafood
Oh
place.
yeah, seafood.
Ooh,
This
seafood.
is the
place.
Grateful Bread. That's that.
Oh, is that that
bread.
place?
What's
Yeah.
your name was talking about?
Uh-huh.
Kate even said it was amazing.
Yeah.